A quick analysis on these three indexes that I am looking to trade in on at the start of the new week. Crash 500 index, as you can see, I got a buy limit order placed on my expected buy zone. I expect the buys on this index in the coming hours and days. Volatility 101S index got a buy limit order placed on my expected buy zone as well. Expect price to drop to this point, a retracement to this level. Then I'll be looking for a bullish continuation on this index. Long-term buys expected basically, and volatility 51S index also got a buy limit order placed on my expected buy zone, expecting the buys from this point on price retracing to my buy zone for the buys. The previous week was slow as well. No clear market structure, low market volatility or trading volume, so I couldn't do much as well. I wouldn't want to frustrate, so I just have to stay disciplined. But hopefully this new week the market will present good opportunities, and I'll be dropping high probability trading setups and signal on my Telegram channel. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on my fair trade signals and on the high probability trade setups I share. So join my Telegram channel, link is in this video description and it's pinned on this video comment section. So click to join and don't miss out on Crash 500 index. I expect the buys from this point. So what's my analysis on this index? What's my view? So analyzing from the daily time frame chart, we'll see that this index was previously on a bearish structure. When we zoom out of the chart, the market has created series of lower highs and series of lower lows. This index has been on a bearish run for some time now, for months and weeks. This bearish run started on the 5th of January and it ran up to 23rd of July, I guess, yeah, to this point before we had this bullish push to the upside. Price pushed up at this point. You can see the bullish momentum here. We also got a break of structure whereby this last lower high got broken and the second last lower high got broken as well, as we can see, marking out this level. We've got price break and close above this high, so it's expected for us to see the bulls coming to the market to push price to the upside, because this is a bullish signal, a bullish sign basically. And we've seen price create series of higher lows in the past days, series of higher lows here and series of higher highs. So I expect the bullish continuation on this index, which I proceeded to identify in this zone, the level that price has been reacting on. A historical level of support basically, which was previously a level of resistance, got this reaction. Price sold here. Resistance was a break, retest, price dropped before we had a break and retest, a break out of this level, retest of it. We got the buys, this bullish push. So price coming back to this zone. I expect the bullish continuation from this point, which I analyzed further to the 4 time frame, identifying a bullish structure formation where the market has been creating series of higher lows and series of higher highs. Export results, the higher lows at that point and the higher highs, and we can see that a bearish gap was created here, which I expect the bulls to come fill up this bearish gap in the coming hours and days. So on the 1 hour time frame chart, I spotted an order block, a bullish order block, which happens to be at this level, this zone, the historical level of support on the daily time frame chart, aligning with my expected buy zone, which is an additional confluence to the buy. So if price can retrace to this point, if you can get price drop to this my buy zone, I'll be expecting the buys from this point. And we also have this zone to be on the same level with this historical level, the same zone with this historical level of resistance, which is now a level of support, because you can see price bought here support, got the sales resistance, being that price has broken out of this level. If price can drop here, let me spot this out properly. If price can drop into this point, I'm expecting the buys in the coming hours and days. So that's my view and analysis on this index. What I expect on the Crash 500 index. Long-term buys expected on this index, at least price buying up to this high is a level of 3,329 in the coming days. This week we are getting into, and the coming weeks is likely to be bullish weeks on this index. So I'm buying this index from this point. If price can drop into my buy zone, my first target point would be here. Second target point would be here for a day trading opportunity, and swing points. First target for the swings would be here, then at this point, and the last target would be at these highs, the points where I expect price to buy to here. So that's for Crash 500 index. So let's proceed to 101S index. So analyzing from the daily time frame chart, we can see this index is about to give a big bullish push in the coming days and weeks. Also got a bullish breakout at this point. This highs getting broken. Let me clear this off. You can see this breakout already. This is a bullish momentum. So it's expected for us to see more bullish push in the coming hours and days, because this index is actually on a bullish structure with series of higher lows created here and series of higher highs. Having this historical level of resistance gets broken at this point. So all is expected for price to do is to retrace back to this broken zone for a bullish continuation. That's what we're looking to buy in this index from here. So on the 4-hour time frame chart, we can see that we've got a double bottom formation, which is a bullish reversal pattern, a bullish continuation pattern. So seeing a double bottom formation form in a bullish market structure actually signals a bullish continuation on this index. You can see how the bullish momentum is at this point, seeing this historical level with a lot of reaction. Let's spot it out. You can see price sold resistance here, these previous sales as well, resistance at this point here. And let's focus on these contractions here. Got price, sell resistance here, resistance. Now it's broken, which I expect price to retrace back to this level for the buys, having an order block form on my zone, on this buy zone, bullish order block aligning with this broken level of resistance. Now turn support if price can come the very test of it here. So this will definitely be a good buy point on this index. This is a really bullish order block pattern. So if price can drop into my base, which is my buy point, I'll be buying this index from here. Let's see how this plays out. I'll be expecting a retracement in the coming hours and minutes here. And you guys can as well take advantage of the incoming buys expected on this index. Long-term buys expected on this index, at least price buying to these highs. This next zone, the level of 1001, this point you have seen price react on previously, because these sells, price sold resistance, so we could still see price sell on the approach of this level, and there's no other zone aside this zone which price could possibly react to. That's the reason why I expect price to buy up to these highs in the coming hours and days here and weeks possibly. And I'll still update you guys on how this trade plays out. My stop loss is below my buy zone, I think on the level of 777.49 is my stop loss level. Entry point at the level of 791.83. So you guys can work with this entry and exit levels. So my first TP on this trade should be at this point, the level of 809. First target point, second target point should be somewhere here, yeah, the level of 840.93 for a day trading opportunity. And for a swing target point, you guys can still look out for new structural formations to scale in as price pushes up. Target point should be at the level of 1001 here, so that's 401S index. So let's quickly look at 751S index. You can see on the daily time frame chart that we've also got a bullish structure. Always pay attention to the market structure. It gives me a guide to what to expect of the market. We've got this bullish formation coming up on this index, and we can see that the market was previously on a bear structure with series of lower highs and series of lower lows. Yeah, so we've got this bullish reversal coming up on 751S index, which I expect the bullish continuation as price is already forming up. This is giving this formation here, so price is expected to buy to this point for a day trading swing target point, the level of 5,387. Long-term buy is expected here. We have some zones which I identified. This is a target point, a potential reaction level, being that we've got past histories on this level. This is a historical level basically. Price bought support, it sells resistance, the price could possibly react to this level on the approach of it here. So on the 4-hour time frame chart, I brought up the Fibonacci retracement to place it on this recent swing low and drag it up to the recent swing high, and you can see clearly that this is 1.8 fib retracement level, aligns with the points where I expect price to buy to, and this is also the neckline of a double bottom formation from there, having the first lows the first low there and the second low at this point. Yeah, if price can drop into these points, I'll be looking for a nice buy opportunity on this index. And on the 1 hour time frame charts, we can see that this same zone is where we've got an order block formed, a bullish order block. There's a drop, usually bullish order block pattern. So if price can drop into the base of this bullish order block pattern, I'll be buying this index from this point. Long-term buy is expected as well. Price buying up to the highs of 5,387. If this level can get broken, this first target point 4,495. Yeah, so target point for a day trading opportunity is this level. First target point should be here. Yeah, second target point should be somewhere here, and the last CP, that's the third CP, should be on this zone, the first swing target point zone. This makes sense. Yeah, so let's see how this plays out and wait for the retracement to our expected buy zone. Stop loss below this point should be the level of 3,933.62. Stop loss level. Entry point is at the level of 3,987. So let's expect the retracements to this point for the buys. You guys can take advantage of the incoming buy opportunities coming up on these indexes. And don't forget to join my Telegram channel. To join my Telegram channel, link is in this video description and is pinned on this video comment section. So click to join and don't miss out. For more market breakdowns like this and market analysis, do also smash the like button, drop a good comment on this video, subscribe to this channel, follow this page and share this video. Thank you guys and do have a wonderful day.